Hey there. If you're looking to make your YouTube shorts go viral, then you're in the right place. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is a massive platform that can help you reach a massive audience. But with so many people vying for attention, it can be tough to stand out. So, how do you make your YouTube shorts go viral? Here are some tips. Keep it short and sweet. The whole point of YouTube shorts is to create short, snappy videos that capture people's attention quickly. So, when creating a short, make sure it's no longer than 60 seconds. Keep your message clear and concise, and don't waste any time with fluff. Make it visually appealing. People scroll through YouTube shorts very quickly, so you need to make sure your video catches their eye. Use bright, bold colors, and make sure the thumbnail is eye-catching. You can also use text overlays or animations to add some extra visual interest. Leverage trends and challenges. One of the best ways to get your short to go viral is by jumping on a popular trend or challenge. Pay attention to what's popular on the platform and create content that fits in with those trends. Use popular hashtags and try to create a unique spin on the trend to make it your own. Use humor or emotion. People love to laugh or feel moved by a video, so try to add some humor or emotion to your short. If you can make someone laugh or feel something, they're much more likely to share your video with their friends. Optimize for discovery. Make sure your short is optimized for discovery. Use relevant keywords and hashtags in the video description and title, and include a call to action at the end of the video asking viewer to like, comment, and share. Conclusion. So there you have it. 5 tips for making your YouTube shorts go viral. Remember to keep it short and sweet, make it visually appealing, leverage trends and challenges, use humor or emotion, and optimize for discovery. With a bit of creativity and some hard work, you can create a viral YouTube short that reaches millions of people. Good luck.